Yeah, I'm back. Nigga, I'm gangsta, that's what I do. You little rappers, game is over, man. You know what I'm saying? Go find a job or something, you little niggas. Shit belong to me. I ain't gonna play with y'all. I'm going in, man. Straight up. Wells, easy, hazy. I keep it real, 100%. Yo, I can come through with the linen, or the fresh air 1, 2 with the black hoodie mask on. Vest and guns, trade your money for your life, or even exchange. You wanna live? Facts should be neat in your brains. It's for your kids. Make them never see like the same. When they see you at the crime scene bleeding in pain, just think about it. I can really make it a mess. Think of Howard, can't have your mind sleeping for stress. Tears flowing like a fountain, hurt for you to your death. I'm selfish with the gauge, I won't leave in his chest. When the 12 gauge blow out, I ain't got time to stash you in the back of a abandoned row house. I'ma leave you right there for all to see. I'm irritated. I'm feeling like a dog with fleas. I'm impatient. You got to the count of 3. Find how your body part up and down the street. I'm blowing up like grenades when the pin release. I get it popping like fish in hot grease. Whoever watching, I'ma give them something to see. Blood your retina. The fly to Kansas call me the chief. I don't respect them. Smack them in the face with cheese, then chin check them. Like night before they right to sleep, so disrespectful. Mom used to tell me I'm mad. She be coming in from church. I be bagging up crack with a tech in the Uzi sitting next to the Mac. A digital scale with like 20 packs of bags. I ain't give a fuck, nigga. I was only 10. Doing drive-bys, shooting out of stolen bins, getting wetted. Zanny's in my system too. I'm an animal. Cops want me up in the zoo. It's understandable. The crimes I commit and do. I'm like Hannibal Lecter times 102. My name ring like your phone when somebody calling. See my face next to the definition of ballin'. Mr. Big Shizot, keep the gun kids out. You get popped. I do bear arms like a wristwatch. Timepiece, my hand glide. Yours TikTok. See me on the beach, more gator, flip flops. When I'm out, the sun take off. Dog, I'm this hot. Paid off police department. I'm dick hot. Laid off the ether, dog. I just chip rocks right off the brick and toss out the pitch. My little niggas hit the strip, then I flip. Double in the order. Fiends dropping in the spoon, bubble in the water. Add a little bake. Put their finger in it, grab oil like Kuwait. I'm like murder, first degree. Got the game in a state of emergency. Ain't you heard of me? Ain't a nigga on 2 feet alive serving me. When I bring pain, you see blood that's burgundy. Yeah, I'm back from the depths of hell, nigga. Dirty jail cells collect calls and mail, nigga. Thought Great was gone for good cause I fell, nigga. I ate the case, pre-bargain, no bell, nigga. I was guilty as charged, riding filthy in cars, sent my cozy home, cause it wasn't his chrome. Yeah, that was my hammer. Yeah, I sit in the slammer, and I'm back on the street. I play parole like it's sweet.